Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. We want to present about ESP32 component. What is ESP32? So we know ESP32 is microcontroller that's small and affordable made by Expressor System. It is popular in IoT project because it has built in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth which allow device to connect wirelessly. So ESP32 also has many input and output pins, making it useful for controlling sensor and other electronic component. So it's powerful, easy to program and commonly used in a smart home. So PIR sensors, which is sensors passive infrared, is sensor detect motion by sensing change in heat from people or animals. It is widely used in smart home and security system due to its low cost, energy efficiency and easy setup. With a typical range of 6 meters and a 120 view, it works well for detecting presence in a room. It can be paired with devices like the ESP32 for automation, though it may sometimes react to pet or sudden temperature change.
Next, for what is PILA analysis mean? For the first fact, PIR detects motion via infrared. The idea is use with ESP32 for room motion detection. For e-learning, PIR is efficient for occupancy sensing, and for the action, connect PIR to ESP32 GPIO. For the second fact, limited range, which is for 6 meter and 120 degree angle. For ideas, placement affects detection accuracy. Learning, placement affects detection accuracy, and for the action, test best sensor position. For the third fact, can be triggered by pets or environment. For the ideas, add software filter or delay logic. For the learning, filtering makes system more reliable. And for the action, add time delay or motion confirmation. For the fourth fact, the ESP32 works with Alexa and Google. For the ideas, trigger smart home routines with PIR. Learning PIR fits into home automation. And for the action, link ESP32 with IFTTT or Home Assistant. For the last fact, ESP32 has deep sleep mode. For the ideas, wake ESP32 only on motion using interrupts. For the learning, sleep plus interrupt boost energy saving. For the action, use interrupt for motion wake up. Next, does the ESP32 have features and limitations? The answer is yes. For features, the first feature is built-in ESP32 microcontroller. Next, onboard peripherals, which is LEDs, button, and USB ports. Third, pin compatible with ESP8266. And the last feature is easy to program and affordable. For limitation, it's limited SRAM with 512 KB. Next, only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Third, limited ADC resolution, which is 12-bit. And the last limitation is no native USB support.
Hi, my name is Alia and I'm going to present about proposed idea and procedure. For detect PIR motion using ESP32 and Arduino, the proposed idea is motion detection of living object using PIR sensor using Arduino IDE. Upon detection of motion, object detected is printed on the serial monitor of Arduino. When there is no motion, no object inside is printed on the serial monitor of Arduino. Okay, now let's understand the code. Set the ADC pin number for the PIR sensor. In setup function, send the PIR pin is an input type. We have initiate the serial communication within a 115200 baud rate. Now wait for 20 seconds for warm up. In loop function, read the PIR sensor output and check it as low or high. If the sensor pin is low, then print no object inside on the serial monitor. If the sensor pin is high, then print object detected on the serial monitor. Next, purpose idea and procedure for PIR motion sensor controls and LED. The PIR motion sensor will detect motion and turn on the LED. When there is no motion, the LED will turn off. First is connect the PIR motion sensor to the ESP32. Second, write the code to control the LED based on the motion detected by the PIR sensor. Third, before uploading, make sure the correct board and port are selected and properly connected. For the board, choose ESP32 dev module, and for the port, use the currently assigned to your device, which you can check in the device manager. And lastly is upload the code to the ESP32 and test the project. For the result, PR motion sensor controls an LED. The PR motion sensor will detect motion and turn on the LED. When there is no motion, the LED will turn off.
This PI4 model beat. As you see here, compared to model PI4, compared to PI3 model beats, the most upgrade is the two HDMI. This time it used the micro HDMI. The prior version PI3 even plus is used the HDMI standard. Now this version it used the micro USB, and now no, it used the micro HDMI, and also it can it launched the USB 3.0 and the Bluetooth upgrade to version 5.0. So, and also it has the